Welcome back. Now in this video we will create a forget password text button right on this side, on the right side, for the forget password. So what I'll do, first we will create some height between these input fields and the text button for forget password that we are about to create. So first we can create some height between them. Below this rounded password field, let's have size box in here. We're gonna provide the height. Let's set it to 5. Edit and comma. Now in here, add the const modifier to this size box, and below this in here, now we will have a line widget, and write it and comma. Take this down. First we will provide some properties, and it's going to be alignment. We're going to set the alignment for the forget password text button on the center right, okay, as I told you already. So it's going to be right on the right side. Now in here, let's provide the child, and I have the text button widget in here. It's going to take the on press event. There we go. First we will just create the design for the forget password, then we will come back to this on press event. So in here we will say child, and we're gonna just have the text widget right in here. Take this down, and the text is gonna be, as you guys know already, forget password. Okay, all just good. Comma in here, take this down. Now we will do some style for that, so it's gonna be more beautiful. So in here, style, as usual, text style, and in there let's provide the color first. Okay, we will go with the colors dot, let's go with the black 54, that one, and we're going to set the font size also. That is going to be 15, comma. So that's fine for now. In here, add the const modifier just to remove the yellow lines. There we go. Now in here, let's provide the navigator. Whenever the user will click upon that forget password text button, we will just navigate the user right towards the forget screen. So in here, for navigator, just use that navigator.push, and it's going to take the context. Now we will provide the root. The root is going to be simply material page root. In here, provide the context. There we go. And let me just take it down from here so that you guys can see it easily. Now right in here, we'll just redirect the user toward the forget password. Okay, the specific screen, write it and semicolon. All just good. And if you guys didn't how to load the app, first do that from here. I have already how to load the app, so there is no need of doing it again. I'll just press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice the text button for a forget password. Ctrl S. There we go. Okay, with a black 54 color, as you guys can see on the right side. Now what I'll do, I'll just make this italic. So in here, font style, let's choose that one. Okay, edit and comma, and now press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice that it's going to be italic. There we go. Okay, so we set the navigator. Now just simply click on this text button. It will navigate you right towards the forget password screen. Click in here. There we go. Okay, it's working totally fine, and you guys can see the result right on the screen, forget password screen. For now, we just didn't add the beautiful UI design right to the forget password screen. We're gonna work on that right in the future videos. Now let's go back to the sign up screen. There we go. Okay, so it's working totally fine. Now we will end this video right in here, and we will start working further right in this body of a sign up screen in the next video. So see you.